South Africa's long-running Phala Phala controversy has entered a new legal phase after the Economic Freedom Fighters, or EFF, formally approached the Constitutional Court to challenge President Cyril Ramaphosa's conduct. The move raises important questions about presidential accountability and the role of country's highest court in resolving one of the most debated political issues in recent years. The EFF is asking the Constitutional Court of South Africa to examine whether President Cyril Ramaphosa may have violated constitutional obligations during events linked to the Phala Phala farm incident. At the center of the dispute is the discovery of a large amount of foreign currency that had been hidden inside furniture at the president's private game farm in Limpopo. The money was reportedly stolen during a burglary, triggering a chain of questions about how the funds were stored and whether the situation was properly reported to authorities. The opposition party, led by Julius Malema, argues that the issue goes beyond a single incident. According to the EFF, the matter raises serious constitutional concerns about transparency, accountability, and whether the head of the state is subjected to the same legal scrutiny as any other citizen. The party is now seeking a final ruling that could clarify whether oversight institutions handled the matter correctly. Supporters of the EFF have gathered outside Constitution Hill in Johannesburg, where the Constitutional Court sits. Demonstrators say they want the judiciary to provide a clear answer about whether the president fulfilled his constitutional duties after the theft was discovered. The continued delay in reaching a final legal resolution has fueled political debate across the country. President Ramaphosa has repeatedly denied any wrongdoing. He maintains that the money in question came from a legitimate business transaction involving the sale of buffalo at the Phala Phala farm. His legal team also insists that all relevant procedures were followed and that there was no violation of his oath of office. The upcoming judgment from the Constitutional Court could carry significant consequences. Legal analysts say the ruling may help define how far Parliament and oversight bodies can go when investigating the action of a sitting president. It could also shape future expectations about transparency within the executive branch. For many observers, the case has become a broader test of how South Africa's constitutional system handles disputes involving the highest level of government. As the country waits for the court's decision, the debate continues about accountability, the rule of law, and the balance of power between political institutions. What do you think this case could mean for the future of presidential accountability in South Africa? Share your thoughts in the comments below.